Engine transmission is gone. I told y'all next video it was gonna be gone, and it's gone. Couldn't find out. I gotta take the rear end out of the car, so I have to take the rear end out of the car. So the rear end gotta come out. Drive shaft gotta come out. All the cross member stuff is already down. That's the wiring for the SRT8. Hey man, just get into it. Already got the brake stuff in. It's not connected though, but it's in the, can't connect, taking the motor in because these are gonna be in the way. So, no, still 300 wiring is done. I tried to degrease it last night, but it didn't work. So I'm gonna try to get some heavy duty degreaser and see if it's gonna come off, because I would like to have my engine bay white. That would be nice. But you know, if I can't, it is what it is. Still going there. That's what I was using. The only thing I had really didn't work that well. But I have 2 or 3 videos of me taking the engine out of the car. I'm just gonna time lapse it and fast forward it. I hope y'all enjoy it. And then I'm gonna try to make more better videos, because I don't have a tripod or anything like that to hold my phone. I mean, I do, but I think I lost that one. So I'm gonna try to find something else that's gonna hold my phone, because I think that'd be a little bit better. I have a camera that takes videos, but it only holds like 30 minutes, so it's better to do it on my phone. But anyways, I'm gonna try to get a tripod, so I can hold the phone while I do videos, so I can just move it around. It's kind of like a tall one, a little bit, but you know, I'm gonna try my best. But anyways, the engine is out. Told y'all next time y'all see this bit, it's gonna be out, and it's out. So the next step is take the rear end out, and then I gotta scrap all this stuff, all this extra stuff. These are the bolts that came from the car too. Probably ain't gonna use none of them, but I'll hold on to them just in case. You never know. You never know. All this stuff is scrap. Scrap. This is the old harness. This is the old steering wheel, old AC brackets, gas pedal, all that mumbo jumbo. The radiator came out of El Camino. Yeah, the El Camino's back. It's over there. Your boy is back. It's an exhaust, K-member, K-frame member, same thing, blah, blah, whatever. Anyways, exhaust, dashboard, engine, which is a piece of shit. Oh yeah, and I broke my ratchet yesterday trying to take the tire out. See? Completely broke. I don't know if you can see it. See? Broke. So yeah, man, everything out. The engine is back here. So I'm gonna have to drain the fluid before I take it to the scrapyard. And then I still got the El Camino, over here. Transmission over there, still going to the scrapyard too. Finally brought old baby home. She's looking good. This is the next part. As soon as that magnet get up and running, I'm jumping on this. I'm gonna sell these slicks up for sale. I don't need them, so they're going up for sale. So all this stuff gotta go for scrap. Should give me at least $100 at least, I'm assuming. I want to put the K-frame back up on there so it can sit, but I know the SRT8 sway bars and stuff probably thicker and stronger than that, so I'm just putting that back up on them. But anyways, this is all the stuff that gotta go for scrap. But yeah, man, I've been trying my best to get all the stuff running. These dumbass dogs back here barking. Them dogs is annoying as shit. I mean, hell, sorry. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just trying to get at it. Like I said, the next thing is the rear end. Take all that stuff to the so let's go like this. I'm gonna put stuff on the screen I still gotta do for the whole project, including the finished state and everything up on here. Yeah, man. I'm trying slowly but surely. I gotta trust the process. And I'm out.